What is happening, guys? Welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be talking about Pi cryptocurrency, so-called Pi app, and it's gonna be amazing just because this is my second video covering Pi, and man, a lot of things has been changed. So today we're gonna be talking about that. We're gonna make you rich, we're gonna make you be millionaires sometime soon, so stay tuned for more of that. Let's roll the intro. Let's go. Alright guys, happy Saturday, happy Sunday, whatever it is for you around the world. Welcome to another video, and this time is my second time covering the Pi app, Pi cryptocurrency, or Pi network, and man, I'm so excited to talk about this. First, I wanted to thank you all of you guys who basically used my code in the previous video and signed up with my code. I am super thankful for you guys being here and watching my videos. And secondly, just because the video got so much hit, and I don't have many subscribers as of now. I have only about 1,000 subscribers, but over 13,000 people saw my last video, and I was very excited to share my experience with you guys, just because I think there's a great opportunity here that I want you guys to be part of this. So let's dive into it. The Pi network has been getting a big momentum right now, and it's been getting bigger and bigger, and it's becoming more popular than ever right now. And I'm sure you guys, some of you guys already know about it. If not, I'll leave the link for you guys up here so you can go ahead and check out my previous video. But if you even didn't watch that, no problem, just watch this one. We'll get into it. So basically, the Pi app is an app that it's basically just like any other cryptocurrency, just like your Bitcoin. It's in the beginning stages of basically this cryptocurrency, and it's not for offering right now, meaning that you won't be able to buy and sell it anywhere yet. But the cool thing about the app is basically you can start earning for free. Right now you can mine it on your phone. Even the app is off or the app is on, you can start mining and you can start earning money, basically free money as of now. But this basically money doesn't have a value yet, just because they haven't been public yet. So they're not trading yet. You won't be able to buy or sell it yet. But definitely there's a lot of potential and worth in basically mining it for free. First of all, it's free. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to buy anything. You don't have to deposit anything. None of that stuff. All you gotta do is basically download the app and use my code in the description below, which is YOUSEFZAD with no space, YOUSEFZAD, and sign up, because it's by invitation only. So you would only be able to sign up with my link, with my code, with my name basically. And you'll be part of the group that you would be able to mine for free. Basically, when you go into the app, it will tell you welcome to the network. Then you see 4 options on the top right of the screen. I'm gonna post that right here so you guys can see it with me as well. The first one is definitely the chat, which you can go into the chat section. You can ask question from basically the moderators in that chat, or you can basically find the chat group in any country with any language. Basically, there's people around the world who are basically mining just like you, and they're waiting for the company to basically go public, and you would be able to ask question. If you have any question, people would usually answer your question, but there's also moderators which would answer your question right away too, which is super helpful. Second icon is basically your security shield. So your security shield is basically your security circle of people that you trust, and that's basically, you want to have at least 5 or more people under you. That's after you sign up with me. You want to basically invite at least 4 or 5 more people under yourself, so they can be your security basically circle. And when you have at least 5 people, then your security becomes 100% and complete, and you would be able to basically earn more Pi for every 24 hours that you're pressing the little button. Your third icon is basically your team. So the number of people who are earning Pi right under you. And this is very critical because the options that it gives you, it actually tells you who's mining right now and who's not. So you would be able to scroll through basically all your friends or family or whoever you invited and see who's mining right now and who's not. And in order to basically remind them to basically mine again, because you have to remember, you have to mine every 24 hours. You have to go inside the app and press the mining button just once in order to basically mine, in order for the system to understand that you're not basically a computer and you're not automated and you're an actual human being that is basically mining on their device. Then whenever you see that many people are not mining, there's a button that it's called ping inactive. So when you press that, it basically sends a push notification to all the people who are not basically active right now, and it reminds them to basically press their Pi button and in order to Pi for the next 24 hours again. And that's very useful just because you don't want to be annoying and basically sending text message to every single friend every single day to remind them. So this does the job for you. You can just press this button when you're in the app and it would basically notify all of your friends in there. And then you can also create a chat room with all your people under you. So you would be able to chat together and talk about Pi or talk about anything. So you can also go ahead and do that. It also gives you another purple button, which is invite, which you would be able to basically share your code with your friends and family and invite more people into the network right now. And finally, the one single button on the bottom which has a bold sign is basically the Pi icon. You have to come physically in the app every single day, every 24 hours, and press it in order to start mining. And when you press that, it basically brings you a different page. On the top, it will say Pioneer. You are Pioneer. You are bringing people to the platform. So right now, the rate per hour is 0.20 per hour Pi you're getting just for being a Pioneer, just for being in the system. But that's not all. Then the second basically tab would be the contributor, which is basically all the people who are basically under you in your security circle. The more people you have, the better, but I think the maximum earning is 0.2 Pi per hour, also if you have at least 5 people under your security circle. Then on the bottom, you have the ambassador. So ambassador is someone just like me, just like you, just someone like basically who is basically able to bring more people to the platform. And by doing so, you basically start earning more and more Pi. And right now, I have about, I don't even know, it's too complicated sometimes to find it. But right now, I'm earning about 6 to 7 Pi per hour just by bringing people to the platform. And I think you guys can do the same thing. I have friends who have over 500 invites, 600 invites, and they're basically making 30, 40 Pi per hour. And that's insane considering how much I'm gonna be telling you each Pi is gonna be worth soon. So, and then the bottom one is Node, basically Node, whatever, I don't think Nude, but it's Node. So that one is basically another app that you would be able to install it on your laptop and your computer and start basically mining through your laptop or computer as well too, which is a separate talk that we're gonna go into details later on. But right now, the main thing, it would be for you to come in the app, press the button, and start mining for free inside the app. So, oh boy, you're about to get rich. Are you guys ready for this? Are you ready for this? So, each Pi, as of today, is worth 34 cents. So basically 0.346193 cents. So imagine if you have 10,000 coins, 20,000 coins, how much that's gonna be worth. Let's just do a simple math. Let's say if you have about 1,000 for every, let's just do 5,000. 5,000 times 0.346193, it's $1,730 that you just earned for free without single deposit, without a single money that you did put in the app, just for free, just by doing that. It's amazing. And you would be able to actually Google it. I'll post basically the picture for you guys. That is, the website is telling me how much it's worth right now. And it's insane just because so many people are coming into the app right now and so many people are earning money, and you could be doing the same thing as well. And I really want you guys to be doing this just because for two things. First of all, you're not making any deposit, you're not putting any money, and you're becoming rich for free. So just because you're helping the app to spread the word, right now they have over God knows how many millions of people that are mining every single day. And this is a great opportunity. Don't wait till tomorrow, because tomorrow they might go up public and it's gonna be too late, because then you have to buy every single pie in the app basically in order to be able to have that pie in your portfolio. Again, I always recommend cryptocurrency just because I think crypto is such a great idea, just because I think that's the direction that we're gonna be heading to. But again, this is for free. All you have to do is basically click on the link that I'm gonna leave you, download the app, use my code, and basically start earning money for free on your phone. And that's all you gotta do. Once a day, you just go in the app, press the button. That literally takes 5 seconds, and you're gonna be making money just like basically so many other people right next to me. And I would be always happy to basically give you guys the tip and tools to be able to basically make extra money on the side in these times that, you know, every penny counts. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and you find value and I learned your thumbs up. Go ahead and leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. And basically, I really want to basically share more and more apps like this one, just because they're making you richer every day for free and you don't have to do anything. So that's one of the things that I wanted to talk about today, just because it's basically in Vegas. We're actually going back to work soon in a couple of days, and I'm not going to be able to make so much videos, but I'm going to do my absolute best to be here for you guys, to bring a new content for you guys, and hopefully you guys have the time to subscribe to my channel and make me even happier by your thumbs up. And basically, I really want you guys to be part of this network just because it's for free and you make money, and making money for free without putting any money, it's always fun. So hopefully you guys have a great time, enjoy your weekend, and please stay safe, and hope to see you guys soon again in the next video, and ciao.